Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add or find the Ubisoft account connect code on Steam, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your Steam. If you have the Ubisoft account connect code, then you can open your Steam application on your device. Then you have to do is simply click on your profile like at the top right corner, or you can go to the library. Now when you are on library, you have to select that Ubisoft game, the game that is actually developed by Ubisoft. So you have to go to the game. For example, this one here, this is not from Ubisoft, but for example you have just a Ubisoft game from here. Now you have to do is simply click on this gear icon at the right side, and you can find the manage option here. So when you are on the manage option, if it's a Ubisoft account, you can find a CD key option among this list. So when you find the CD key option, then you can click on that and you can find this type of interface where you can add the activation code. Here you can see the CD code. Here is the CD key actually. So where you can see the activation code that you have got from the Ubisoft account or Ubisoft website that you have purchased for activating the game. So you have to add this and simply click on continue, and that's how you can just do it. Let me just show you. So then you have got the key and simply click on continue, and you are good to go. That's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.